Hey guys, it's Bethany here. So, y'all know I love Dr. Pepper, and they're recently doing a, I don't know what you call it, a
survey?
No, not a survey. It was like you buy 3 Dr. Peppers and you text this number and they send you a something free. So with that being said, I got a free thing. And so in this video, I will be unboxing it.
Free.
Right? Oh, this is cool.
Well.
A ball. It's a little sweet. He let me get this open here. He's holding a Dr. Pepper can.
Is it diet?
Yes. He's the mascot for Diet Dr. Pepper.
Well, you don't know what he does on TV.
But yeah, he's got a square head here. He's got glittery scarf. So, yeah. And it says on the box it's a Dr. Pepper exclusive. Yeah. That was what I was wanting to show you guys. If you have any other suggestions to do, leave them in the comments below. So, what are you gonna say?
I can't wait.
Oh Lord. Yeah, leave it in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share on every social media. If you go on Facebook, I have a Facebook page that you can like. And also post videos on that from my YouTube channel. So, alright, that's it, guys. Bye! What's up, you guys? So, I have this new thing I want to show y'all.
The fuck was you saying?